it's Vlogmas day 1. To go to church, so this is the outfit. Everything thrifted. I literally just cropped this right now. Hi. Where was it before? Last year. Christmas decoration a while ago. There's also a Christmas tree. I'll show it later. The sky.
What's supposed to be thumbnail? Oh. I'm gonna do what's in our backpack.
Yes. Alex is gonna take like 40 years.
This is like a 23-year-old backpack. I don't know where to get it anymore. And then this is from a friend. Pencil case.
Oh, this is really cute.
This is a journal. It was free. This is our agenda.
Oh, it's cool.
We're reading Hamlet right now. American Science for Biotech. A spiral. I went into spiral here, but I'm working on it. I have 2 folders, thinking and history, and then for this one, it's lit and biotech. This is a clipboard. Almonds. Front pocket, lip tint, lotion. And oh, I have a big cat. I have earphones in this one. This pen right here. That's from. It's 2 cats drinking tea. Scissors, no cards, sticky notes, and then there's a middle one. Calculator, wallet. It's like a pouch that has like stuff. Oh my gosh, I never know one, but it's like, look at it. Wow. Sport.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
And then beats.
Oh, they can see this. Is it a good thing?
I guess so. You want to show what's in the bag?
I'm gonna be really bored. That was my last year in English. I'm kind of freaked out. So awkward.
I know it's not.
This Alex wanted me to show you guys what's in my bag. It's my bag. It's Adidas. It's like the cheapest one I got from Amazon. There's an Elmo. I'm obsessed with Elmo. Calculator. Same one with Alex. Here's a gum. Actually, it's an empty kit. There's another gum.
Wait, it's empty?
I have no clue what this paper is. A random paper trash. This is kind of embarrassing. Earbuds that I never actually use.
Like, I barely see.
This is a pom-pom, and I have no clue why this is in my backpack. Some makeup stuff. Oh, these are the cough drops Alex gave me the other day.
Oh, you still have them?
Yeah. Printed DBQs from past years. I printed this.
Past years?
Yeah, from Collegeborg website. I printed this to prepare for my DBQ, but I ended up actually never using it. So it's a waste of trees and ink. Sorry, trees. PowerPoint. This killed all the ink in my another paper for my calculus class. This is my pencil case.
So cute.
I know, right? I got it from Korea. Let's pretend that did not happen.
Oh, it's so pretty though.
Yeah, this is like endangered animal.
Oh no.
Blank note papers. I finally started to carry note paper. Before this, I would always steal some from Alex. So thank you, Alex. Another paper. This is boring. These are just a few of my binders. Calc, this psych, this world. I have water.
Stay hydrated.
Stay hydrated.
That's it.
Mine's like cannot even called backpack at this point. It's just a huge trash can.
Yeah.
Look at the moon, guys. It's literally, you can't really see it. Hey guys, we have a veggie burger for dinner. They're actually pretty good.
It's uneven. What?
The sky is so pretty. These are the good cookies.
Ooh.
She like thumbnail. Oh, look at these.
I don't think they're gonna expand that far.
I can't remember how far they expand.
It's like featuring banana.
What? What'd you do?
Did you try the bibinka? Oh.
There's mixed greens, or yeah, salmon and rice. And I'm gonna add some of this soup base. Makes it taste really good. Hi everyone, it's the weekend. I don't have any makeup on, so cookies again because I'm bored. I just installed this sink shroom, whatever it's called, into my clog because whatever it's called, the sink drain, because I lose a lot of hair. Like the most random thing, but hopefully it works.